Wow, we are up here on the top of West Virginia.
People keep just flying down these dirt roads and they're very narrow. So where are we supposed to go? And it makes me nervous.
So it looks like we have a short hike up to the observation tower. We're walking up to the Spruce Knob observation tower, the highest point in West Virginia. Pretty neat, right? Those are some knobby spruces. Could it be? These are some spruce trees that they just look knobby, like they're just knobs. Maybe that's why it's called Spruce Knob, like this one. Not your typical spruce tree. Cool, so I just learned from this sign that we are in a national recreational area, an NRA, and Congress has designated more than 20 NRAs managed by 3 different federal agencies: the National Park Service, the Bureau of Land Management, and the USDA Forest Service. Spruce Knob Seneca Rocks NRA was established on September 28th, 1965. as the first NRA managed by the Forest Service. And it has a picture of Senator Robert Byrd. And he's speaking at the Seneca Rocks Visitor Center dedication. So I'm assuming back in the 60s, Senator Robert Byrd had a lot to do with making this, you know, an established and maintained area. And probably got funding for it as well. We're really happy we decided to drive because this was a long way to get up here. So definitely worth going back to the campsite and driving here. And here we are. Here is the observation deck.
Well, we should walk on this little trail for a little bit and see what.
Highest point in West Virginia. We made it. Wow, we are up here on the top of West Virginia, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little underwhelming. Tops of all the spruces are in the way from really seeing the full view, but I do still appreciate the fact that we're on top of West Virginia right now.
It's true.
I mean, this is pretty cool. We're in the highest point of a state. Highest point of West Virginia, and West Virginia is very hilly. This is a pretty cool thing. Go check out the trail. Hang on, selfie. Up here on the Whispering Spruce Trail, it's pretty nice. You have a nice rocky path. It's nice and shaded at certain angles because it goes around the hill, so it's a nice circular loop that takes you to the observation tower and back around to the parking lot. Definitely recommend coming here if you are in West Virginia. Now, it is a drive to get out here, don't get me wrong, on some questionable roads, but it is definitely worth coming out here. This is beautiful out here. The observation tower at Spruce Knob on top of West Virginia. So we got back to the campsite and we're just gonna chill out for the day, and we're pretty pooped.
Make some grub.
Make some grub, and I'm gonna get a fire started here, and yep, then tomorrow we'll head out to Virginia Beach.
Beach time.
Steel. So we head out in the morning early. And head to Virginia Beach. And we'll spend some time there. Beach day in Virginia. At Virginia Beach, hashtag beach life, hashtag salt life.
Country roads take me home to the place
look like good tomatoes.